Today we are going to learn how to animate a presentation slide just like this. Alright, welcome back to the channel. My name is Purnendu. I am the founder of freeslides.co, a place where creative people come to get better presentation templates and wow their audience. My goal for this channel is to be a resource to the creative through sharing presentation strategy, tutorials, tips and tricks. So if any of that interests you, I would love to invite you to subscribe and join the creative group. It goes a long way towards supporting this channel. Alright, let's talk about today's tutorial. So now I will animate this slide. First we need to group all of those circles and icons. Let's hold down the Ctrl key and drag. Now group them. We need to group this logo and the circle. We also need to group icon and circle. So hold the Ctrl and then drag, then group. Let's bring those circles to the front. First animate this text. We will use whip animation for this text. Let's bring the animation pane and go to the effect options. We will set animate text by word. Should be with previous. Duration is 0.5, that is good. Now let's animate this. Basic zoom in slightly after previous. Then animate this shape. Same basic zoom, but from effect options we will select out slightly. Select with previous. Duration is 0.5, that is fine. Now we need to group those arcs. First select this one and this one. Group. Select this one and this one. Let's group. For this arc, I will use basic zoom in slightly after previous. For this group, I will use same basic zoom in slightly but with previous. For this group, I will use same basic zoom in slightly and then I will use with previous. For this group, this circle and icons, I will use fade. This should be with previous. Duration should be 1 and delay should be 0.25. So now I will animate this part. For this circle, I will use same basic zoom in slightly and this is on click. This is good. Duration is 0.50. This is good. 0. For this text, float in, direction is float up and this should be with previous. Duration is 1. For this left bracket, I will use wipe. Direction is from top, on click, duration is 0.50. That is good. For this circle, I will use basic zoom in slightly. I will set this with previous. Duration is 0.5 and delay is 0.25. For this text, I will use float in, float up, with previous. Duration is 1 and delay is 0.25. That is good. We need same animation for this circle. Okay, so let's select this one and then copy the same. So first select this circle, then click on animation painter and click on this one. For this text, we will need same animation like this one. So let's select this one and then click on animation painter, then click on this. Okay. Doing the same thing here. Just copying the same animation. Now we can see the animation by just play them all. Alright, that is going to about wrap up this video. I hope you have enjoyed this and found some value from it. Before you guys leave, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on the notifications. As always, let's build amazing presentation and wow your audience.